like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, I'm here today with Pop Feel Holiday Wow Surprise Gift Beauty Set. It's 20 surprises in its face, eyes, lips, makeup tools, and accessories. And if memory serves me, I believe this is for the youngers, you know. And I kind of thought, if memory serves me right, I got Shar, you know, the W7 one, and she's a teenager. And if memory serves me right, I think I intended to give this one to Caroline so she could open them with Shar. So we'll see what happens there, because that's what I think. And I can't believe, I can't remember what I paid for it. It was only like $19, something like that. So I will mark it on, I will put it right here on the big old screen for you. And I'm having trouble opening it up. And I don't know if it's me or them. I think it's got a sleeve. Yeah, it's got a sleeve. If I can just get it out of the sleeve. Well, I can't, so I don't know how Caroline's going to feel about this, but I got to tear it open. I can't get it open. Okay. Oh, that's why, because it had another sticker on the other end. Oh, she'll never know. I'll just wrap it in cellophane. She won't know. But this is what it looks like. So, you know, it's kind of little girlish, and that's what my intention was. I can't believe I can't remember how much I paid for it. Because usually I check that right before I do this, but I'm trying to do too much at once. Honestly, I have apple dumplings in the oven. And this is Pop Feel. I have apple dumplings in the oven, and when they get done, I'm going to start on pumpkin rolls. So that tomorrow I can make buckeyes. What is this? Let me grab the old handy dandies here. This is waterproof brow set, which maybe is not, but that's brow setter, and it's waterproof. So it's probably one of them things that Charlotte would just kind of steal, you know, so she doesn't do anything harmful. And then number 2 looks like this. And number 2 looks like this. Nice. And it's rose hand cream. I just want to smell it. Her mom knows that I do this, so she won't mind. I don't smell a thing. That's the consistency of it. And I suppose you could get this for even, you know, an older person for the money. But this is number 2. You notice I learned from Linda's. I couldn't get Linda's back in. Hers ended up being 23 days with one tape to the top. Oh, it really, when you put it on and it warms up, it really does smell good. It smells like roses. I like the smell of roses. And this is number 3. Can you see that? I'm not sure you can. There, you can now. 23. I mean, this is 3. 23. Am I jumping the gun or what? And this is honestly, I'm going to have to open it because it's just white. And then it's got ingredients. I'm assuming it's some kind of lip balm. But I'm going to open it and find out. I just tell her, Mom, I just opened some of the stuff to find out what it was, because I didn't know. Get off me. That's what it is. It's like a lip balm, a clear lip balm. Yeah, that's what it is. Clear lip balm. So she's good. She can have that one. Don't want her mom to get mad at me because, you know, she's only in kindergarten. But she likes to play with makeup with Shirley. So that's 3. And here's 4. 4, number 4. 4. That's the number. Oh, I don't think she'll be getting this one. This is balm. Look. Not good. There, I got it. But it's just definitely red. It's definitely red. So I don't know if Mommy will let her have that one or not. Shirley might have to sneak that one out too. But that's number 4. Here's number 5. These are easy. These are in order. Here's what number 5 looks like. And let's see what it is. It looks like it's Pop Peel 1. Number 1. It's color 1. Pop Peel? Is that what it is? Pop Peel or Pop Peel? But that is the color. And that is a color. They are not real high pigmented, so she should be alright with that. I mean, that's going over it twice, so she should be alright with that color, I would think. And, you know. And here's number 6. 6 looks like it has a bunch of Band-Aids on it. I don't know what they're supposed to be. And this is another. Yeah, it's Pop Feel is what it is. And that's that color. So I'll just do a swoop of that one. And it's like a little rust. So she could use it for a bronzer or eyeshadow or a, I don't know. She's really pale. She's blonde hair, almost white hair, and blue eyes, so. Here's number 7. 7's a bigger box, but it feels empty. Feels empty, that's not good. Oh, it's a scrunchie. Yeah, she can have a scrunchie. She can have a scrunchie. Here's number 8, and it says boom on it. I don't know why it says boom on it, but it says boom. It doesn't feel real empty. It doesn't feel real full either. Oh, and it's not. It's templates for your eyebrows. But that's okay, because, you know, I think I paid $20 for it, if that, so we're good. We're not going to get upset today. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. And this is waterproof mascara. And I'm assuming it's black, but it's Pop Feel. See if you can see the label there. Can you see that label there? There you can see it. Pop Feel. Pop, pop, pop music. I'll probably get a strike for that. Oh well. And then here's number 10. And it's kind of heavy. Kind of heavy. Oops. 10. That's the number 10. And this is avocado cleansing wipes. That's what they are. Cleansing wipes. avocado cleansing wipes. Where's my number 10? Here's number 11. Number then, so I had to stop, take care of business. Anyhow, here's this. This is number 11. And it's kind of light compared to the other one. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is a hairbrush. So there's that. And number 12. 12. Oh, it's glitter. It's just a bottle of glitter. Goodness, I can't get it open, but it's just a vial of glitter. I see it unscrews, I think. Oh well. It's glitter. It's gold glitter. Glitter, 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 glitter. Yep, here's 13. See what this is. Oh, this is a little face razor. And it just goes like this. So she probably won't get that either, because this might have to go a different direction. Because there's getting more and more things she can't have. I'll probably take the stuff she can't have out and put something in it she can have. You know. This one's heavy too. This is 14. This one's pretty heavy too. Let's see what she is. I can't get it. Open the other end. Maybe I can shove it through. There, I did. This is Pop Feel. Made in China. Concealer. That's what it is. It's concealer. It's concealer. Yeah. It's concealer. And it's showing up rosier than when it's here. See if I can open it. Yeah. That's what it looks like. It's a cream. Yeah. So she can have that. Concealer. Oh, I almost forgot to put it in that big box. I put it in the black box and I was like, huh. Okay, so there's 14. Let's go to... Here's 15. 15. And this is matte lip cream. This is the color. So she may be able to have this. Some of these lip creams are a little bit, some of them are really dark, you know, really pigmented, and some of them are barely pigmented at all. So hopefully, let me just open it real fast, and we'll just see what it is, see if she can have it. I may end up having to give this to somebody else entirely. And I'll just find something. This is the color. Ooh, that's pretty pigmented. It's pretty red. Pretty red. Yeah, and it doesn't blend out very well. I mean, it's... Even when you blend it out, it's pretty red. So, there's that. Yeah. I can see Mommy's going to kill me. Yeah, I'll just find some other stuff that I can put in with the stuff. I'll go to Dollar Tree and get stuff put in there. It'll be fine. And then here's another one. But it's a little bit darker in color. But, Not sure about the pigmentation here. So we're just kind of just check it and see. Was that you? There's not really much difference. Not much difference. But this one's a little bit more true red. I look like filming the movie True Blood. Got a show. That was a good show. So that's 16. Almost done, guys. Almost done. Here's 17. And here is a cone that folds in half, and it's a cone. Well, ain't that interesting? That's 17. Here's 18. 18. I just realized this is only a 20-day calendar. And this is, if I can get it out, this is just a makeup sponge. Gotta have one in every calendar, you know. Yeah, gotta have one in every calendar. I don't know why, but you do. So there's that. 18. 19. Well, this has only got 20 days. This is 19. Okay. And it's a nail file. Do they not know they're supposed to lead up to the big boys? And the best thing's supposed to be in your last day? Okay, then we got this. This is this. Well, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Who knows? I found it. I found it. It's good. We're good. We got it. It is a black Easy Glide on the Easy Glide on to give rich color instantly. And it is quite simply a black eyeliner. Wah, wah. They didn't get the memo. They didn't get the memo that your best thing's supposed to be your last thing. There were some cute things in here. And I think I paid $20, $25 for it. There were some cute things in here, and that's what it looks like done. So anyway, feel free to like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff because I'm hanging on the edge there, baby. I'm almost ready to be completely monetized. So come on, like, subscribe, and do all the YouTube stuff. Help me out. Bye.